Carrying heavy credit card debt feels like a physical weight on your shoulders. It's like walking with a 50-pound backpack while sinking into quicksand. If you follow along for the next 6 minutes, we will build an automated financial system. We will crush that debt and free up hidden cash you already have sitting in your bank account today. To do this, you need to prepare right now. Grab a pen, a piece of paper, and your smartphone. Escaping the hole of debt doesn't rely on willpower or daily motivation. Those fail. Escaping debt requires you to remove human error entirely. You have to treat your personal wealth like a machine that runs in the background. Step 1 is organizing your debt using the Done on Last Payment, or DULP method. Now, rewrite that list in a very specific order. Put the card with the smallest overall balance at the top of the page and list them down to the largest overall balance at the bottom. Look at your list. You are going to completely ignore the interest rates on these cards. The standard advice is to pay off the card with the highest interest rate first to save math pennies, but human behavior doesn't work that way. Staring down a massive balance takes years to clear, causing people to lose motivation and quit long before they see any progress. Take your smartphone, log into your banking app right now, and turn on automatic minimum payments for every single card on your list. Make it so every card is paid on time, every month, without you lifting a finger. With the minimums running automatically, your offensive strategy is simple. Take any extra cash you have and throw it entirely at that one card at the top of your list. By attacking the smallest balance first, you force a rapid psychological win. Clearing an entire account creates the exact behavioral momentum you need to stick with the process until the final, largest card is wiped out. To fuel that momentum, you need immediate capital. We have to find extra cash today to throw at that smallest credit card balance. If you have an iPhone, open the Settings app, tap your name at the top, and click the Subscriptions button. Scroll through the list that pops up. Ruthlessly cancel any application or service you haven't actively used in the last 7 days. From now on, implement a strict rule. The exact minute you sign up for a 1-month free trial, open this menu and cancel it immediately. You will still get the trial, but you block the company from auto-renewing your card. Reclaiming $50 to $200 a month in phantom subscriptions gives you the exact cash needed to accelerate your debt payoff. You generate capital without sacrificing a single thing in your daily lifestyle. Once that debt is cleared, you will route your future income and that newly freed up cash into 3 automated buckets. Bucket 1 is for your future, your retirement. Ideally, you want to route 12.5% of your gross income here, which equals about 1 hour of your pay per workday. If a 12% jump feels impossible, log into your retirement account today and set the contribution to just 1%. You mathematically won't notice a 1% drop in your paycheck, but it gets the habit started. Bucket 2 is your emergency fund. Set up your bank to automatically transfer 5% of your paycheck into this safety net. Bucket 3 is for your dreams. Automate another 5% transfer here to fund tangible goals, like a house down payment or a wedding. Look at corporate business models. Netflix, gyms, and phone carriers only survive because they automatically pull money from your account every month. They never wait for you to write a check. Treating your own savings like a non-negotiable automated monthly bill guarantees you pay yourself first. With your future bucket automated, point that money strictly into broad index funds instead of trying to pick individual stocks. An index fund is just a single basket that holds hundreds of different companies' stocks at once, spreading out your risk. If you need a starting point for your research, look at standard index fund tickers. VTI covers the total U.S. stock market. VAA covers global markets. QQQ covers the top 100 tech companies in the NASDAQ. If you live outside the U.S., open an AI platform like ChatGPT or Gemini and type, "What is the local equivalent of the VTI index fund in my country?" Do not redirect this hard-earned capital into high-risk assets. Avoid meme coins, NFTs, and day trading options. The math on speculation is brutal. Investors who treat the stock market like a casino to get rich quick almost always stay broke forever. This chart shows the reality of slow, automated consistency. If you take just $100 a month and compound it at a 10% return in a boring index fund, after 40 years, you will have over $630,000. Let's review your new operational reality. Your minimum car payments are automated, your phantom subscriptions are canceled, and you have an automatic 1% investment running in the background. You will face one major relapse trap. When you finally pay off that first credit card, the temptation will be to celebrate by taking that card out and using it again. take that zero balance card and physically put it in a drawer. Keep the account open so your credit score stays high, but completely remove the physical temptation to carry it in your wallet. If you want to keep optimizing your system, hit the subscribe button and join the 15% of our viewers who are actively mastering their money. The automated decisions you made in these last 6 minutes take the burden of willpower off your shoulders. You've stepped out of the quicksand, and you've built an engine that runs quietly in the background, generating inevitable, hands-free wealth.